Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya aka Glam by Pragya. So in today's video, as you have seen the title, today I am gonna be reviewing the newly launched Miss Claire Matte Power Lip Color. Like, Miss Claire lip creams were my first lip creams I have ever used in my college life. So yes, it has been my old school friend during my college days, and at that time, like, I had so many Miss Claire lip creams and I still have them. And when they have branded it up and have revamped them to Miss Claire Matte Power Lip Color, I was super excited and I really wanted to grab it. And as soon as it launched, I grabbed myself few shades, and total they have 14 shades, but I am sorry I couldn't get all the shades. But yes, I am gonna be swatching them, and during my swatch I am also gonna be telling you how they feel and how the formula is and all of that. So first I'm gonna be doing the swatches, and then I will be telling you guys about their lasting power, whether it lasts long, how the liquid lipstick formula is, and all of that. So yes, without any further ado, let's just get rolling. Miss Claire Matte Power Lip Color, where it claims to have that matte effect and a long lasting lip formula, which is gonna be ultra light.
This night is cold in the kingdom. I can feel you fade away. From the kitchen to the bathroom sinking, your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me at a waste. I once was a girl with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of a cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Cold skin, drag my feet on the tile as I'm walking down the corridor. And I know we haven't talked in a while, so I'm looking for an open door. Don't.
So yes, I swatched 3 shades, and these 3 shades are really my favorite, and I always kind of use these 3 shades only, either nude or red or something under something like this berry tone. I really love this kind of with pink berry tone, and I don't have any shade like this before, to be very exact. So this is my most favorite shade out of all. It just goes so nicely with this top, and I really love it. Like, minimal makeup and a bold lip, I always go for that kind of look, and I really love the shades. And rest of the Miss Claire shade had a very much a pink range, so I didn't want to try because I am not a girl who likes too much of pink lip color. And now coming to the formula is just like the previous one. It has a very creamy texture. When you glide on, it just feels like you are literally gliding on the previous lip creams, but this lip creams are a little bit thicker and has a very nice pigment. I would say whenever you go in that one swipe, you are getting that full pigment, and it has a very creamy formula, so it is not gonna dry out your lip. Number 2, it is a very lightweight formula. I literally feel like there is nothing on my lips, like literally, and it is non-drying. It is not like a dry formula that is gonna dry your lips. It is a very comfortable formula, and it doesn't transfer at all. And I did wear it for a very long time. Yes, it lasts up to 5 to 6 hours easily with mask, and it is something really nice. If you eat anything oily, obviously it is not gonna last because oil helps to break down makeup. So yes, if you are eating anything oily, it's not gonna. It is really good if you want to touch up, because it's not gonna give you that patchy or crumble effect which you can face with other liquid lipsticks. Especially, I don't like this sugar liquid lipstick formula because they are very drying and they really like makes your lips look very cracky, and I really see my fine lines on my lips. But this doesn't emphasize, it has that very blur kind of effect on the lips. Like when I apply it, after applying, I feel that my lips look very nice. Like it doesn't emphasize my fine lines and it looks very blurred out. That's what I love about this. I really love that fact that it gives a very nice, you know, velvet effect on my lip. But it is transfer proof, it is not gonna budge, not gonna move, I guarantee that. But it is a very nice formula. Coming to the formula, I would really rate 5 out of 5 for this liquid lip. So these are really amazing, I would say. And oh, I forgot to mention the price. This is just priced at $3.95 only. Like the price range is really comes into that affordable category. The previous lip creams when I first bought it was $165, then it came to $295 right now in Nykaa, but these are priced at $3.95. But still, I would say these are pretty affordable with the quality you get. And let me know in the comments below if you really like this. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this mini review. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also push the notification bell so you get updated every time I post a new video. And that's it for today. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.